So how to fix a zipper now? This is the two back. You pick it like this and check, make sure they are equal before you start fixing your zipper. So this one is equal now. This is the zipper. This is the blouse zipper. They call it a big invisible zip in my area. This is the good side, this is the wrong side. You pick the good side like this to face the fabric. I see now. So this down part, you can just check how many inches that you want to be left. It can be 1 inch, depends how the zip. This is a high neck blouse. So you see what I have here. I think it's okay like this. So you can push it out like this. From the upper part, I'm removing 1.5 inch from it, because I want this zip to stop somewhere here. I don't want it to get to the down. Sometimes when you're sewing, you find out that the zip will now come down more than you expected. And because it's open zip, if there is any allowance left, it should come out at the upper part instead of this down part. Because this down part has a design already. So just place it like this and sew with your 1 inch that is left. The zipper allowance is 1.5. Now that we finish sewing here, now that we finish turning the lining, 1 inch is remaining now. So you go ahead and sew with that 1 inch like this. So when you get to this down, you double stitch it. You pick the second back like this and you place it like so. Also check the same allowance. This down part, because of the plastic at the ending part here, you find out that you will top stitch and top stitch before the thread will stick to the zip. You have to use the same allowance. As you're going, you check the upper parts, make sure they are equal. Keep checking. If you find out that, like now, it's like this one wants to be longer than this, you can hold the zip, this one now, as if you're dragging it, but don't drag it too much so that it will not rumple in front. So now as you're touching this one, you're not touching this one like that. So this is how you fix your blouse zip, the open zip. Are you seeing now? This is why we'll call it an open zip. You can open it like this, you can fix it back, and when fixing it, make sure you push this side in very well before you start zipping it. Are you seeing now? So the next thing to do now is to balance this upper part very well. You flip it at the back side like this, I see, and turn it this way, and top stitch it. So I see in the back, the front, the same thing to this side. You flip it this way and top stitch it. So you see the zip now, see the back. I want to iron the zipper now, the zipper allowance now. My iron is very hot. So when you iron it like this, you turn it to the front and also iron it. So this is how you fix your zip. Thank you.